How to turn on or turn off call alerts play tone when call ends on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on here click on Phone app. After click on Phone app, click on this three dot icon and click on Settings. Now in Call Settings, scroll down, and click on Call Alerts and Ringtones. After click on Call Alerts and Ringtone, you will see play tone when call ends is here. If you want to turn off play tone when call ends, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see play tone when call ends is turn off. If you want to turn on play tone when call ends, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see play tone when call ends is turn on. You will turn on or turn off play tone when call ends from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off call alerts play tone when call ends on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.